All right, welcome back to Zach's Food Channel. Today we're diving into some controversy. We are making Jeffrey Epstein's final meal. What was Jeffrey Epstein's final meal? I don't know. A long time ago, they used to feed prisoners lobster because it was cheap and it was plentiful, and sometime in the late 1800s, it became gourmet, and now it's expensive and not as readily available. But I don't know, did Jeffrey Epstein eat lobster tails in his cell by himself? Could be. Did they turn off the cameras so that he could have some privacy in his cell? Maybe. But to start out, I got some melted butter. We're gonna make some basting butter. Into that, we're gonna add some 2 cloves of garlic chopped, and a little bit of paprika, parsley, and a little squeeze of lemon. And we're gonna stir that up. All right, we're gonna set that aside. The way we're gonna do this lobster is you use a pair of shears and you cut through the shell right through here. You stick one end of the shears in there and you cut just like that. And then you pop this open. You take the meat and you set it up here on the shell. Just like that. I already got a couple of these prepared over here. I've already got these prepared, and we're gonna prepare these in the air fryer because it's really quick. I know I've made several videos on the air fryer, but hey, it works. So we're gonna head over to the air fryer. All right, we're gonna put these in the air fryer. I'm gonna baste those with butter before we start. It's our garlic butter mixture. And we're going to air fry these at 375 degrees. We're going to start out with 8 minutes. And about halfway through, we are going to baste these again. Okay, it's been about halfway. We are going to pull these out and we are going to baste these with butter, garlic butter mixture. Oh yeah, these are starting to look good. We need to get these up to about 145 degrees. I'm gonna do get a quick temp of these to see where we're at. Yeah, we got a ways to go yet, so. All right, we're gonna get a temp on these. I think that they are done, but we're gonna check anyway. Yes, I would say those are done. All right, we're gonna pull these out. Jeffrey Epstein's final meal. 2 lobster tails, corn, mashed potatoes, ice water, and a roll. Of course, prison, you have to have plastic silverware. You can't have metal silverware in jail. It's not gonna work. So let's try a bite of this, shall we? And it's difficult to cut with a plastic knife. Let's get rid of that shell. Tastes like lobster. I can taste the garlic. I can taste the lemon in there. It's very delicious. Like I said, this has been a controversial subject. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Please subscribe and leave a like if you like this video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.